Thanks for joining us at xm.com for today's Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujos. The US dollar appeared to lose some of its safe haven allure on Monday as signs of economic life in many parts of the world shifted the focus to the improving growth outlook, putting pressure on traditional havens such as the yen and Swiss franc. Investors shrugged off Friday's horrific non-farm payrolls report out of the US, but optimism that this is as bad as it gets led Wall Street higher on Friday, with most of Asia following suit today, and US and European stock futures pointing higher. The gradual lifting of draconian lockdown measures has revived hopes of a V-shaped recovery as businesses reopen and people return to work. However, the baby steps announced by Prime Minister Boris Johnson yesterday to take Britain out of lockdown didn't seem to impress the pound, which was down slightly against the dollar on Monday. The dollar, meanwhile, jumped 0.5% against the yen, which was down across the board. Still, the risk-on moves were mild, and the positive mood was not universal as commodities were headed in the opposite direction. The latest virus numbers in China and South Korea show a small surge in new cases detected on Sunday, highlighting the risks from easing lockdowns too early. While investors aren't yet including a second wave of infections in their recovery forecasts, the possibility is keeping gold well supported. The precious metal was last up 0.3%. Also putting a slight damper on the latest bout of optimism were comments by President Trump, who on Friday cast doubt on the apparent progress being made in kickstarting the Phase 1 trade deal signed by the United States and China in January. Trump said he was very torn and has not decided yet when asked about the trade deal, suggesting the long-sought pact remains fragile. Trump's anti-China rhetoric may be putting the brakes on the Australian dollar, which has turned negative after being unable to hold on to earlier advances. The Kiwi was also down on raised expectations of more policy easing by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, which meets on Wednesday. This was today's Daily Market Comment at xm.com. Have a great week.